Hi everyone, I wanted to do a little review of this little candle rolling kit that I found on Amazon, and as you can see it's quite small. It's about the size of my hand. It's about the size of a pack of playing cards, a bit bigger maybe. And inside you have beeswax sheets that look like this, all different colours, and a little bit of cotton wick, and also the instructions. So I'll get this all out. So you get blue, green, purple, orange and pink, and there is 2 sheets of each colour. I've just already made a candle. And I'll get the purple one out. It does give you all the instructions and show you how to make the candles and how to make the candles with the swirly whirly top to them, and then it talks about safety when you're burning them and that sort of thing. I'm not going to worry about that because I've made beeswax candles before. And all you do, I've used a bit of leftover wick for that one. Get your wick and cut it to the right size. You can pre-dip this if you want to by melting a little bit of wax and then dipping this in. It doesn't make too much difference. And then, but if this is cold it'll crack and snap, but if it's warm, and it's quite a warm room, my room's quite warm today, if it's quite warm it'll be soft enough to roll without any cracking. And you just keep going. Keep rolling like so, and then I just use the warmth of my fingers just to press down that edge like so, make it stick into place. And then I trim the wick because you only want it about that long. This one's too long as well. Dead easy, and you can make obviously multiple colours depending on which one you use. So yeah, it's a great little kit. They're really nice candles. They burn well as well. One sec. There you go, it's already creating a little melt pool. And the wick, as you can see, the candles stand up on their own. I would recommend using them in obviously some sort of candle holder, you know, something where they're protected from the possibility of falling over. But yeah, that's it. That's how to make different coloured beeswax candles, obviously mini candles, from this little Bath Bees colourful candle rolling kit. Yeah, great little kit. Seems to work quite well, as you can see. Dead easy. You know, within seconds you've got a working candle. I'm going to use the tin to make something else after, once I've made all the candles out of it as well. So yeah. I'm not sponsored, not affiliated with this in any way, shape or form. I just thought it was a great little kit and thought it was worth showing you. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.